Guys, the Entrepreneur Kid here, bringing you guys a new video on DavorCoin. I will be doing my first loan of $1,000. Guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow my journey. I'm trying to make $1 million in 2018. So guys, as I sign in, go into my back office. Guys, you would just go to wallet and you would hit Bitcoin, and then you would just hit deposit. Once you hit deposit, it'll come up. You just copy, and then you just send it over from Coinbase or any exchange you have. But I already have, so then you will go to exchange, and all you would do, guys, is just hit all. You would hit all and last for your last order. It should be coming up just a little slow. And then you would hit buy Dav. I already did that. As you guys can see, I have 12.997 Dav. See, as you see, you come here, you just hit last, and it will take the last order. So now we're going to go to lend, so I could put my first loan in. But we're going to go to profit calculator real fast so you guys can see how much I'm probably going to make off my 1,000. I'm going to do 90 because we still got it. See, 12.95, 12.997. And then I'm going to hit with that, you get the plus 0.1. And I'm going to hit the extra capital lock boost 120 days plus 0.1. So that's nice. So guys, if I do that, it's $17.37 a day, which I can reinvest every day. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to go to start lend. And I'm going to go to 1,190. 12.96. Like I said, guys, I'm at 12.99. So that's just enough. See, if I go 5, it's not enough. That's too much. So I got to go 0. And I'm not going to auto reinvest, because once you auto reinvest, you can't touch it. I want to show you guys that, I could reinvest every day. I don't want them to do it. I'll do it. And I'm going to lock it in for an extra 20 days. I've read and understood. So guys, you see, plus 0.01, plus 0.01. And I'm going to submit. Success. Lending successful. We'll hit done. And as you can see, it's right here, guys. $1,190. And we'll go to dashboard, and you can see this is it right here, because I only made my first one. So guys, like I said, that's how you make a loan on DavorCoin. And again, guys, like, subscribe, follow my journey, guys. I'm trying to make $1 million in 2018, and I'll see you guys in a week to show you my progress.